Hi guys, so this is what I'm working with today. I kind of wanted to give you a quick little overview. Today's Saturday the 3rd. Yesterday was my son's birthday, so today we have plans to actually go out. So right now I kind of want to just tidy up in here. I have laundry that needs to be put up. These towels here came out of the kids' linen closet, which you will see that video tomorrow, Sunday the 4th. So these are all the towels that came out of that closet, which I have to put up somewhere. Some of them are going to be used for me for when I color my hair. The rest will be for the dog. But I really wanted to declutter my nightstand and then my husband's nightstand and then my dresser, but I don't think I will be doing that today since we do have plans to go out for my son's birthday. But I definitely want to clean up in here and change sheets and then head into the bathroom. But this video might take me a few days to do just because we're going to be busy this weekend and I work every single day next week, which that has not happened in I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 years. I have not worked an 8 to 5 in a long time, but we are shorthanded at work. So that is my schedule for next week. I will not be home until 5. So I don't know what else I can get done throughout the week. So we're going to go ahead and start this right now.
When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Karla. Today's video, I wanted to bring you guys a decluttering of my nightstands and my dresser. I have been wanting to do that for a while, but I only got to deep clean my bedroom on this day. I cleaned baseboards and doors and we put up some new decor. We cleaned out my desk. So I did a few things in this room, but not everything that I wanted done. But hopefully you guys, you enjoy this and I hope it gives you guys some motivation.
This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Okay, you guys, look at these pillows that I picked up at HomeGoods. They were only $29.99 for 2, so I grabbed 4. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the bed and see how it looks. I hope it looks like what I'm wanting it to look, so I might just play with it for a little bit. But I just love these big pillows. I've been on the hunt for them, and honestly I did not want to pay like $50. HomeGoods has some really good pillows this size, but some of them are like $60. I'm like, oh, I really don't want to spend $60, but I found these for $30 and I said, why not? So let's go ahead and get them on the bed here.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if I'm really liking it. Maybe it's too much with the pink pillows. I'm gonna finish the rest of this room to see how the room gets, how it looks all put together. I just can't picture it because the room is such a mess. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep the pillows like that. Maybe it's because of the pink comforter. I'm just not 100% sure, but let's go ahead and keep cleaning.
Being pretty, honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song.
And here is my crazy husband. God, I love him.
Making plans so fast we go, where we dance when no one knows just how we want it. Going left, going right, doesn't matter tonight, just how we want it. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night.
Y'all, I have been wanting this up for over a year. I have had it down against the wall forever because it did not fit above our bed because it is too big and because the crown molding comes down a little low behind our bed. So this is where I decided to put it, and I'm so happy that I put it up there. And then this is a mirror we got at TJ Maxx. I think I got it for $40. I love it. I wanted it just leaning against the floor, but my husband decided to go ahead and put it up, and I just love the way it looks. Alright guys, the room is done. So there is this piece of artwork here that I bought at Sam's Club like a year and a half ago that's finally up on the wall. The mirror we got at TJ Maxx the other day for $40. And these pillows, the white ones, I got at Home Goods. I'm not sure if I like it. My husband doesn't like it, but I think the reason it looks odd to me is because of the pink comforter. So we'll see how it looks when I actually change this comforter. I just didn't want to because, you guys, I love this comforter so much. Definitely if there's another color like this or of this type of comforter, the brand is, I think it's Madison from Kohl's. I just love it. It's so comfy and plush to me. I don't know. I just fell in love with it. But I don't know if I'm going to keep these here like this, or maybe remove the pillows in the back and then put these for, I'm not sure yet, but for now, this is how they're going to stay. And then what else? Here, I got these at the Dollar Tree. They're just cardboard. I love them. I should have grabbed another one, but I do have this rose gold one here, but it works for now, just to store this paperwork that my husband has to go through. And then here I got this at Home Goods. I think this was, how much was this? $7.99. And then this right here was also $7.99. I got this one at Home Goods, and it is the cutest thing. The blue truck and the pumpkins. I just love these. $6.99. And then this one I got at TJ Maxx, I believe, for $7.99. This one I've had for a while. This one's from Kohl's. I've been burning this one already. This one was like, I forget, $13. I'm not sure. And that is it. I definitely have to do some deep cleaning, which I did not get to today because I ran out of time. Like I said, we're gonna go celebrate my son's birthday. Definitely have to do the nightstands and then this dresser, and then baseboards and doors are gonna get wiped down. I might actually finish that right now, but as far as the decluttering of the nightstands, that's definitely gonna have to wait till later tonight or tomorrow. So we will see when I get to those. Alright y'all, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.